Here are some facts about Qatar. Number 1. Qatar is a country located in the Middle East on the northeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. Capital: Doha is the capital and largest city of Qatar. Language: Arabic is the official language of Qatar. Currency: the Qatari Riyal, QAR, is the official currency. Number 2. Economy: Qatar has a high-income economy primarily based on natural gas and oil exports. It has one of the world's highest per capita incomes. Oil and gas: Qatar is known for its significant reserves of oil and natural gas, making it one of the wealthiest nations in the world. Number 3. Education. Education is highly valued in Qatar, and the country has established several world-class universities, including Education City, which hosts branches of prominent international universities. Number 4. World Cup 2022. Qatar has hosted successfully the FIFA World Cup 2022. Qatar was the first Middle Eastern nation hosted the tournament. Number 5. Modern architecture. Qatar is known for its modern architecture, including iconic structures like the Museum of Islamic Art and the Burj Qatar. The Pearl Qatar. The Pearl Qatar is a man-made island known for luxury living, marinas, and a variety of upscale amenities. Number 6. Cultural heritage. Qatar preserves its rich cultural heritage through institutions like the National Museum and the Souk Waqif, a traditional marketplace. Diverse cuisine. Qatari cuisine includes dishes like biryani, majbouz, and various grilled meats. It also features a range of international cuisines due to its multicultural population. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.